Welcome to my channel. For today, I will teach you how to create a website from scratch. So all you need is an installation of the local WP or the local WordPress development tool. So here is the process and how are you going to start. So at first, you will be asked to input your personal information plus a valid or an existing email before the download proceeds. So download may takes long depending on your internet speed. So here is the tutorial.
Okay, have you seen my screen?
Yes.
Not yet.
Uh,
So I hope that everybody downloaded their files using this link. I have provided this earlier. And then if you're going to simulate what I am doing, please go to the file that you have downloaded. So my file is desktop. Okay, I hope I have a correct screen. This is my file. And then of course to install, we have to double click the file. So those who will simulate, you can double click it. So let us just wait because really it takes long. Lalo na kung mabagal yung computer. Okay, and then, naka-share pa ba ako? Kindly check. Aha.
ay,
Okay. Aha. Baka na-click ninyo yung share ha. Naagawan kasi ako. Baka
share.
na-click nyo. Paki-check sa inyo. May nagsishare sa akin. May nagsishare sa akin ng hindi aking screen.
What, ma'am?
You're sharing. You might be sharing your screen.
Ah,
Yeah.
okay.
Sub Z.
Sub. Yeah.
Okay. Do you have my screen already?
Yes.
Okay. So I hope you are already loading the setup for the local by flywheel. Okay, on the local setup, what you will choose is anyone who uses this computer, and also that we do not have any problem just in case na mag-log in ka using the other account kung marami kayong gumagamit ng computer. And then I will click on next. And then you will have the message, do you want to allow the following program to make changes? Okay, just click on yes. And then the local setup must be located on the program files. And then we have to click install. Let us just wait. What about the others, those who are simulating the demo? So it takes a while to install. Plus the difference between the use of the local flywheel is this. Diba, using the PHP, we need the WAMP or the SAMP or LAMP in order for us to have a server, because SAMP stands for MySQL, PHP, and then Apache as the server, di ba? With WordPress, using the local by flywheel, there's no need for us to install those server. Okay, so there's no need for us to install that. Let me know ha, kapag yung mga nagsasimulate, baka mauna pa sa akin. Okay, so when the setup is already completed, we have to click on finish. I hope my screen is still sharing. Okay, I have now this setup on your screen. I hope. Nakashare pa ba ako? Nakashare ako?
Yes.
Okay, okay. So actually, I have already created my project here. So since wala pa kayong project, you click on the plus sign, add local site. Okay, and then you will initially have the website name. So let us say, sa akin, Divines. My previous project is Divines Portfolio. Divines Tutorial na lang. And then you click on the advanced options. Okay, this is the local site domain. So okay lang yan. And then let us choose don't use blueprint. And then continue. Okay. Next, let us select custom. Let us select custom. And then we have here versions of PHP. So the recommended version is 7.3.5. What I understand is when you download the local by flywheel, it is automatically installed together with the package. So just select. And then on the database, the recommendation for the local by flywheel is we're going to use the MariaDB. MariaDB 10.4.10. I hope you have the same versions on your installation. And then let us click continue. You will be asked to have your WordPress username. So I'll just use Divine. And then password, plus you have to be careful with this because this setup, if you are going to pursue the development of your page using WordPress, you need to take down your password. Or else, kailangan mong tanggalin yung buong installation at mag-ulit ka na sa umpisa. Okay? So, huwag kakalimutan yung password. And then, yung email, I hope that you already have your personal email. Kasi class, kapag graduate ka na at gagamitin mo to, hindi pwedeng yung mga notifications will be sent dun sa email sa school. I do not know how long will it stay on live or pwedeng gamitin. So much better if you will be using your personal email. Next, we have an option again here after your email. Is this a WordPress multi-site? Ibig sabihin ng multi-site, you will be maintaining different websites. Ano? So for this tutorial, no na lang muna. And then you click on Add Site. So let us just wait because the local site is adding all the necessary files that we will be needing. Ano? So nag-start na siya ng web server, and then yung PHP natin, and then the database. So yun yung nilalagay niya dun sa local site natin. Again, just in case na hindi gumana using the existing version that you have on the operating system that you have, you can download the WAMP or the SAMP. You can download any of the compatible version of the local web server, and pwedeng yun yung gamitin ninyo. Yun nga lang, you have to download the WordPress itself. Hindi itong local by flywheel. Ang maganda kasi with the local by flywheel, pwede mong kuhanin lahat nung ginamit mong files dito. Let us say, hindi gumagana yung file ko dito using the local by flywheel. Ililipat ko with the other computer. Meron siyang folder na pwede kong kuhanin lahat ng ginawa ko and then ima-migrate ko with another local server. So yun yung maganda dito. That's why yung question kanina ni Al, kung pwede ba na, anong sabi niya kanina? Nawala tuloy ako. Ano nga yun, Al?
Yung kahit hindi po pro version.
Yun. Kahit hindi pro version. So, yun nga. Pwede yun. So, kung gumawa ka halimbawa, hindi pa ikaw naka-pro version, and then time comes na gagamit ka na ng pro version, pwede mong makuha yung lahat ng files na ginawa mo. Plus, yung mga file na yun kasi yung ilalagay mo sa web hosting mo. Yun. And sa klase ng dual diploma, ang gagawin nyo kasi, di ba, isang buong website yon na may e-commerce site yon. So, ito pa yung maganda dito sa WordPress. Ito talaga yung recommended dun sa dual diploma ng Australia. Ang maganda pa rin dito, meron na itong payment gateway. Plus, kung halimbawa, you plan to implement or to have your website for monetization purposes. What I mean is, you will go into blogging, parang ganon. Yung iba, ang blogging ko, not the vlogging. Pwede rin namang vlogging. What you will do is you will upload your videos here on your website.
That ends the part 1 of the tutorial. So see you on the part 2. Thank you.